Making your wife happy can be a lifelong endeavor, as there are many factors that can influence her happiness, such as her personality, her interests, her goals, and her life circumstances. However, there are some general tips and strategies that can help you create a more fulfilling and satisfying relationship with your wife. Here are some suggestions on how to make your wife happy. Show her love and affection. Express your love and appreciation for your wife regularly. Tell her how much you love her, how beautiful she is, and how much she means to you. Show affection through hugs, kisses, and physical touch. Make her feel desired and cherished. Communicate effectively. Good communication is key to a happy marriage. Listen to your wife's opinions, feelings, and concerns. Ask her how her day went, and genuinely show interest in what she has to say. Share your own thoughts and emotions in an open and honest way. Avoid criticizing or blaming each other, and instead, try to find solutions together. Support her goals and dreams. Encourage your wife to pursue her passions and interests. Be her biggest cheerleader and help her achieve her goals. Show interest in her hobbies and activities, and join her in them if you can. Make her feel like you're on her team and that you want her to succeed. Help with household tasks. Pitch in with household chores and responsibilities. Don't expect your wife to do everything on her own. Show her that you're willing to share the workload and that you value her time and effort. Offer to cook dinner, do the laundry, or clean the house. Take care of the kids so she can have some time to herself. Show appreciation and gratitude. Acknowledge the things your wife does for you and your family. Say thank you for the little things, like making you coffee in the morning or running errands. Show gratitude for her presence in your life and the ways she contributes to your happiness. Write her a love note, buy her flowers, or plan a surprise date night. Be attentive and present. Pay attention to your wife's needs and emotions. Be present in the moment when you're together and make an effort to connect emotionally. Put away your phone and other distractions, and focus on spending quality time together. Listen to her without judgment or distraction and be there for her when she needs you. Be affectionate and intimate. Physical intimacy is an important aspect of a happy marriage. Show your wife that you desire her and find her attractive. Be affectionate and loving, and make time for intimate moments. Talk openly about your sexual needs and desires, and make an effort to keep the spark alive in your relationship. Show respect and understanding. Treat your wife with respect and understanding. Don't belittle her or dismiss her opinions. Be patient and kind, even when you disagree. Avoid name-calling, sarcasm, or other forms of disrespectful communication. Show her that you value her as a person and that you're willing to work through challenges together. Be a good listener. Listen actively when your wife talks to you. Show her that you're interested in what she has to say and that you're there for her. Don't interrupt her or dismiss her thoughts and feelings. Validate her emotions and provide support when she needs it. Show your commitment. Lastly, show your wife that you're committed to your marriage and your relationship. Make an effort to maintain a strong connection, even when things get tough. Work through challenges together, and don't give up on each other. Show her that you're in this together for the long haul and that you're willing to do what it takes to make your marriage work. In conclusion, making your wife happy requires effort.